Okay, in this video, I'm going to show you how to graph y equals -2 sine x. Hopefully you watched the previous videos because that'll help make this a little bit more sense to it. So on my graph right now, I have y equals sine x. So that is without the -2 in the front. So in the previous one, whenever you have something that you are multiplying in the front here, this is called an amplitude. So that -2 is our amplitude. Here, when there is no number in the front, in other words, it's just 1, my height here would just go up from 0 to 1, and my minimum would be -1. In this case, my first scenario is I'm going to go this way all the way down to -2. So I'm going to start off again. When I put in 0 here, I'll get the sign of 0 is just 0. So 0 times -2 is 0. So my first point is right there. Pi over 2 is normally 1, as you can tell by the green graph, but instead I'm going to multiply that by -2. Well, 1 times -2, that is going to bring my graph down here to -2. And then when we put sine pi in, we know that sine pi is 0. We multiply 0 by -2, we get 0. Then 3 pi over 2, we get -1. Well, what's -1 times -2? That's going to bring me up here to +2. And then at 2 pi, we are back down here at 0. So now this graph is going to swing down instead of swinging up, and then come up and then go down. So the red graph is our y equals -2 sine x. The green graph is just y equals sine x. So as you can see, when we multiply here by -2, we start by going down and then go up. So whenever you have a negative in your amplitude in sines, we will start by going down. Hopefully this video is helpful, and I will continue on in the next video to show more variations in our sine graphs. See you then.